2025 Bufalino Tricycle Camper is a revolutionary take on minimalist travel, blending the convenience of a scooter with the practicality of a micro camper. Designed for solo travelers, it offers a unique way to explore the world without the costs and complications of a full-sized RV. Inspired by the original Bufalino concept, this updated version refines the idea with modern materials, improved efficiency, and smart features that make it more practical for real-world adventures. Whether you're an urban explorer, a digital nomad, or a nature lover, this compact camper is built to keep up with your wanderlust while minimizing your environmental impact. At its core, the Bufalino is powered by an advanced electric drivetrain, making it a quiet, zero-emission alternative to traditional campers. Its electric motor provides smooth and efficient performance, with a top speed of around 55 mph, perfect for city streets, highways, and scenic back roads alike. The battery range of approximately 150 miles per charge ensures you can cover significant distances before needing a recharge. Plus, with its ability to plug into both standard home outlets and fast charging stations, you won't have to worry about long downtime on the road. Some models even offer regenerative braking to extend battery life further, making it an energy-conscious choice for travelers looking to reduce their carbon footprint. One of the most impressive aspects of the Bufalino is its interior design, which maximizes space without sacrificing comfort. The cabin is designed to be multifunctional, allowing you to transform it based on your needs. The seating area converts into a sleeping space, providing enough room for a single traveler to rest comfortably. A fold-out desk and storage compartments make it easy to work or organize essentials, making it an ideal choice for digital nomads or those who need a mobile office. The kitchenette, while compact, includes a small stove, sink, and storage for food and utensils, allowing for basic meal preparation on the go. Despite its small size, every inch of the camper is used efficiently, with cleverly designed compartments for gear, clothing, and travel essentials. The exterior design of the Bufalino is just as innovative. It maintains the compact footprint of a three-wheeled scooter but with an enclosed, aerodynamic body that improves stability and wind resistance. The lightweight structure enhances efficiency while keeping the camper sturdy and weather-resistant. LED lighting ensures visibility at night, while a digital dashboard inside provides real-time information on battery levels, speed, navigation, and even smart connectivity features that sync with your phone. The camper is also equipped with a small solar panel option, which can help power auxiliary systems, extending its off-grid capabilities. Safety and usability have also been taken into consideration. Despite its small size, the Bufalino features an advanced braking system, stability control, and an emergency airbag for the driver. Its low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution make it easy to handle, even for those not accustomed to riding three-wheelers. The enclosed cabin provides protection from the elements, making it a year-round travel option for those willing to embrace a nomadic lifestyle. Ultimately, the 2025 Bufalino Tricycle Camper is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement about sustainable, independent travel. It's designed for those who want to break free from conventional travel restrictions and embrace the open road with minimal impact on the environment. Whether you're planning a cross-country journey, weekend getaways, or just need a compact mobile home for short adventures, this innovative camper is built to make travel simpler, more efficient, and more enjoyable. So, what do you think? Would you take on the world with a Bufalino as your travel companion? Let us know in the comments.